All right, this is patty number 4 today at Shereen's Guyanese Roti Shop and Bakery. Yeah, 4th one in like less than an hour or two, man. But it's I guess it's a good thing that this one's tiny. Right here, it was $2.63 after tax. This is probably the tiniest patty I've ever seen in my life. All right, let's check this thing out. Yeah, this is a Guyanese place, so it's not, I don't think you can call this a Jamaican patty. I don't even know why I got this, but it kind of looks like a patty. Actually, it looks more like a empanada. Damn. Yeah, very delicate. This thing's gonna fall apart, but look at this thing. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, that's like, even the shell looks like a kind of an empanada shell. I don't know what kind of breading this is. Smell that curry. Okay, let's bust it open. It's gonna wreck my car. It's really hot. They were in like this display case, and she asked me if I wanted her to heat it up for me. So I don't know how she heated it up, if it was a microwave or a little toaster oven, but damn, it's hot. Oh, there's a little piece of potato. What the fuck? Yeah. I don't know if you can see that little piece of potato right there. So this is, I guess, not really a beef patty. I don't know what you would call this. Yeah, it just smells like curry food. I'm gonna try it. That was a potato. I kind of smell gingerish in here, so I just wanted to make sure it wasn't a piece of ginger. It's not bad, but it doesn't resemble a Jamaican beef patty in any way. I don't know, man. Not really feeling it. Like, it's not totally dried out, but it has like a dry feel. The meat, the bread is like, the bread's all right, but this is just, I would say this is like an empanada with curry meat flavored, or curry flavored meat. Yeah, it's, if you're into that. I'm not really into that. I don't really like empanadas or like too much curry tasting stuff, but it's not bad. But not for me.ca. It's been a bit of a disappointing day. 4 patties today. They were all like okay. Pattied out. Let's go with I don't know. Like, I don't even know if I should score it, because it's not a Jamaican beef patty. It's called a beef patty, and if it's shaped like that, I guess it's considered a Jamaican beef patty, because the only other kind of beef patty I know about is the ones for burgers, and this ain't it. So it's not bad. That's the thing. I don't know what to do. It's like, it's just not my type of thing. I'll give it a 5.9. Yeah, it's not. I know definitely some people will like this a lot, just not myself. But yeah, 5.9 for Shereen's Guyanese Roti Shop and Bakery. All right, see you guys in a bit. See if we can squeeze one more out today.